How is it possible that something sitting quietly in your bag right now could completely derail your trip, cost you hundreds of dollars, and embarrass you in front of a full security line, without you even realizing it? Yeah, sounds dramatic, but stick with me, because by the end of this video, you might be rethinking everything you packed before stepping into an airport again. Picture this. You're running a little late, heart racing, coffee in one hand, boarding pass in the other, thinking you've got everything under control. And then boom, TSA pulls your bag aside. People are watching. You're sweating. And suddenly, something you thought was totally harmless is being taken away like it's contraband. Ever been there? Or worse, about to be? Drop a comment right now if you've ever had something confiscated at the airport. No judgment. We've all been there. And if you haven't, just wait, because today I'm exposing 25 items that get confiscated at airport security. Way more often than you think, and some of these will genuinely shock you. Let's start with something that catches people off guard every single day: oversized liquids. Yeah, I know. You've heard the 3.4 ounces rule a million times. But here's the twist: TSA doesn't care if the bottle is half empty. If the container says it's bigger than the limit, it's gone. Expensive cologne, gone. Fancy skincare, gone. That $60 face serum you just bought, yeah, say goodbye. And speaking of liquids, number 2, snow globes. Sounds harmless, right? Cute little souvenir. Nope. If the liquid inside exceeds the limit, security will toss it without hesitation. Imagine explaining that to your kid. Now here's where it gets wild. Number 3, peanut butter. I'm not even kidding. TSA considers it a liquid or gel. So your protein-packed snack, confiscated. Wild, right? Number 4, power banks and lithium batteries. These are essential for travelers. But if they're packed incorrectly, like in checked luggage instead of carry-on, they can be taken or flagged. Airlines are strict about this for safety reasons, but most people don't even know the rules. Number 5, wrapped gifts. Yeah, you thought you were being thoughtful, bringing a perfectly wrapped present, but security might unwrap it right in front of you. Surprise, ruined. And honestly, that awkward moment, yeah, it hits different. Number 6, even small ones can be taken depending on blade length. That tiny grooming kit, not so harmless anymore. Number 7, tools, screwdrivers, wrenches, even small multi-tools. If they look suspicious or exceed limits, they're out. And here's the kicker. Number 8, self-defense items, pepper spray, stun guns. You might think you're being safe, but airports see it differently. These are restricted in most carry-ons, and trying to sneak them through, not a great idea. Number 9, sports equipment, baseball bats, golf clubs. Obviously not allowed in carry-ons, but you'd be surprised how many people try. And yes, they get stopped every single time. Number 10, remember those. They've caused so many battery-related concerns that many airlines just ban them outright. Show up with one, and your travel plans instantly get complicated. Now, let's talk about something that feels almost unfair. Number 11, expensive food items, cheeses, sauces, spreads. Anything that falls under liquid or gel rules can be taken, even if it's gourmet. So that fancy cheese you picked up abroad? Yeah, not making it home. Number 12, duty-free alcohol. Wait, what? Isn't that allowed? Yes, but only under specific conditions. If it's not sealed properly, or if you have a connecting flight, it can still get confiscated. That confusion catches people off guard all the time. Number 13, gel candles. You'd think candles are harmless, but gel-based ones, considered liquids, confiscated. Simple as that. Number 14, replica weapons, toy guns, realistic-looking props. Even if they're fake, they can cause panic, so security doesn't take chances. Number 15, large electronics without power. This one's sneaky. If security asks you to turn on your laptop or device and it doesn't power up, they might not let it through. Dead battery? Big problem. Number 16, legal souvenirs. Sounds obvious, but people still try to bring back things like coral, certain animal products, or restricted artifacts. Not only can these be confiscated, you could face fines. Yeah, serious ones. Number 17, sharp objects, knives, box cutters, even small ones. It's a hard no in carry-ons. And honestly, the number of people who forget these are in their bags. Crazy high. Number 18, flammable items, lighters, fuel, certain aerosols. These are heavily restricted. Some are allowed in limited quantities, but get it wrong and it's gone. Number 19, medications without labels. This one is scary. If you're carrying pills without proper labeling or prescriptions, security can question it. Always keep meds in original packaging. Trust me on this one. Number 20, large quantities of cash. Not technically illegal, but it can raise serious red flags. Security might stop you, question you, even involve authorities. It's about suspicion, not just rules. Number 20, one-gel shoe inserts. Yeah, even those comfy insoles can be flagged under liquid rules. Who would have thought, right? Number 20 to certain cosmetics, lip gloss, creams, mascara. They exceed liquid limits. They're gone. And for a lot of travelers, that's a painful loss. Number 23, camping gear. Items like fuel canisters or certain tools, not allowed. Outdoor lovers get caught by this all the time. Number 20, for unusual souvenirs. Ever seen someone try to bring back a weird object that just doesn't look safe? Yeah, security notices too. And finally, number 25, the one that surprises almost everyone, your attitude. Yeah, you heard me right. Being aggressive, sarcastic, or uncooperative with security. That can escalate things fast. Missed flights, extra screening, even being denied boarding. The psychological trigger here is simple airports or high-stress environments, and how you behave matters just as much as what you carry. So here's the deal. Travel isn't just about packing your bag, it's about understanding the system. And the system, it doesn't care if you're in a rush, if you didn't know the rules, or if that item means a lot to you. It's cold, fast, and unforgiving. But now you've got the edge. You know what to watch out for. You know what mistakes to avoid? And honestly, that's what separates smooth travelers from stressed out ones. Stuck at security, so before your next trip, take 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, double-check your bag. It could save you time, money, and a whole lot of embarrassment. And hey, if this video saved you from losing something important, smash that like button, share it with someone who's always overpacking, and drop a comment telling me the weirdest thing you've ever seen get confiscated at an airport, I promise. Some of those stories are insane. Stay smart, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.